Morning, YouTube fans. Here we are again, another episode, Gardening with Vincenzo. And today we're going to talk about how to make up those very nice, eye-appealing basil gardens. So here we go. All right, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Here we go. One of my other videos, I had these nice little pots here that I've drilled one hole in the bottom of them, and I've prepared them for the basil gardens that we're going to do up. And the 3 or 4 kinds of basil that I have here, I have some Siam Thai basil, queen. I have some cinnamon basil, and I have some Italian sweet. And there's a pack of global basil that I have. There's many kinds of basil. So what I've done here on my little bar grow light thing, and you can see the remnants of the previous video that I did with the rose cuttings, and those are doing very good. You can see the mist on the inside, so they're doing their thing here right now. And I picked a box that would hold 6 of these. I've lined it with some plastic, and because I haven't watered these yet, and that would be the best thing, would have been to have these moistened, but that's okay. So what we're going to do, I've made indentations, one in each one of the centers, and then I've gone around like a clock hand, gone 1, 2, 3, 4, then in between each one, so there's 8 spaces in between. So as I do them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into the plastic covered box right up underneath here with the grow light. And right in the center of each one of these, I'm only going to do 6 of them up. I'm going to take some of this Queen Siam basil and just sprinkle a couple of those right in the center of each one of these. It's a taller plant. It's a very special kind of spicy basil. Makes a beautiful plant. I pulled out more than I'm going to use, but that's okay because I'll just keep sprinkling in the center here, right in that center indentation. All right, now there's that one. So we have Queen Thai right in the middle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our cinnamon basil. And I don't know whether anybody can see that. It's such a nice plant, the cinnamon basil. The seeds are pretty tiny. So again, I'm going to use my hand to go around there. And I'm going to put a few in each one of these indentations that I've already made in the soil, which is already warmed. Success rate for sprouting these is pretty good. I'm going to start these in the house. I've been down working in the greenhouse. Getting everything ready there. We've got probably 8 or 10 different tomatoes and cucumbers and broccoli and all different kinds of peppers. Been having fun down there. Got everything running at full tilt here. Busy. That's okay because I like to be busy. Some people don't like to be busy, but I do. If I'm not doing one thing, I'm doing another. All right, we got rid of that one there. And now what we're going to do is finish this off with some sweet basil. And then I'm going to look for my pack of the global, which is a thinner leaf basil, a little more spicy than a regular traditional sweet. So you end up with a multicolored, completely edible basil garden. Multicolored, which is what I like. Basil is such a nice colored plant. Put the cyan in the middle. Have the purple coming out. Also have the sweet coming out. Let me try and see if I can grab one more, because I have them right in the front here in my seed packets. There we go, right there. And these will be a nice eye-appealing, very functional basil gardens. Now the last on this, I'm just going to kind of scatter some of the green in there. We know that everything is basil. I'm actually going to see if I can find one more here. If not, we'll have to open one. Oh, there we go. I got one more that I opened already. I do burn through some seeds. I gotta say that. A lot of them I make myself. I dry the plants at the end of the year. I completely maxing out my greenhouse. There we go. That should definitely finish that off. All right, so we'll broadcast scatter those. That's the sweet basil, the purple basil, the queen Siam Thai basil. And there we go. And now what I'll do, and I have a whole bunch of these left, is we'll just take a little bit of our warmed soil here and just, put 1/8 of an inch over top of that. You only want a little bit. I actually could have tapped the sides of the pot and just let the soil that's in there, which is what I'll do when I'm done here, before I put them in the box. And we'll give them a nice warmed water here and get them going. Alrighty. So we'll take these, give them a tap. Stick them in there. I'll lock them in place just like that. I thought they fit in there very nicely. I specifically got that box just for that reason. Nature's miracle. That's what it is. Nature's miracle. Healthy lifestyle. Give you a sense of purpose. And there you have it right there. And we're done. And that's it. Alright, here's another episode Gardening with Vincenzo. Some nice basil gardens. And these will look very nice as things start to pop up. And remember, we can save this planet 1 yard at a time, beginning with your own. You are what you eat. Fresh is always best. It doesn't get any fresher than fresh grown, fresh picked, fresh cooked. Grow as a person. Plant a garden. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. YouTube channel. Visit the Facebook business page, Gardening with Vincenzo, LLC. All right. Be safe out there.